Hello everyone, how to tots back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce app. It's called UpFoTo AI photo enhancer. So this is a photo editor operated by AI, so you'll get all the style and trending feature in this app. So if you want to look at the statistics, so you can see here 4.5 ratings out of 5 and 10 lakh reviews, and you can see 42 megabyte size of the app, and you can see it's called a 50 million, right? Yeah, 50 million plus people already download this app. So if you want to see the more things, you can see 70 million people already download this app. Enhance photo quality, reveal your different images and kiss your loved one with AI, and bring old memories back to life. Improve your portrait's quality, find the best version of yourself. So there are a lot of facilities here. I will create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorials. So today's no mind, see you in the next video.